Hey, welcome back to Kid Side. So in my last video, I reviewed the Dig and Create Glowing Gemstones kit by Discovery. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own at home. So those kits are about 15 bucks and they're really nice kits. But here I want to show you how to make your own at home with things that you have in your own kitchen. So here I have a big block of Play-Doh that I made. I have a video that I will attach to this one on how to make Play-Doh at home, and you're making it with flour and salt and water and a little bit of cream of tartar. So it's an inexpensive thing to make. So in the Glowing Gemstones kit, it includes gemstones. So what you can do, you can get some cool rocks or some little colored pebbles from like your art and craft store or your local like big box store, Walmart, Kmart, Target, something like that. Get some cool ones. Or you can get something as big as a Hot Wheels car. And you can put it inside your own block of Play-Doh. So here I got Play-Doh and I just mixed it with red and green to kind of give it this brown color to look like some earth. And then left a couple of streaks of color in there to give it some swirls. So all we're going to do is just kind of mash our Play-Doh out. And since we've already kneaded the Play-Doh, it's not going to make a mess on our countertops. And then you just get a couple of your rocks. So I like the blue ones, because blue is my favorite color. I'm just going to plop those in there throughout it. And you can find pretty ones. I just have some rocks from outside that I'm using in a couple of like garden stones. And then just cover it over with some more Play-Doh. And make sure you have a nice even distribution of stones so that you don't have all your stones in one spot. So one thing I noticed about the Discovery kit was that a lot of the stones were on the very, very, very top. So I open my Hot Wheels up, and because the Hot Wheels have a lot of crevices in it, you don't want to get the Play-Doh inside of it. So I have a little piece of clear plastic wrap. I'm going to wrap my Hot Wheels in the wrap. I'm going to smash them down in there, right in the middle, as a surprise. And then keep covering everything up with more of the homemade Play-Doh. So again, the homemade Play-Doh is just flour, water, and salt, and a little bit of food coloring. And you can get the pebbles from just kind of anywhere. Anywhere you see some really cool stones, just pick up a couple of stones. And you can smooth it out and shape it however you want to. So the Discovery block I had was about maybe 5 by 5 inches. And because you're using your own homemade Play-Doh, you can make it as big as you want to, and you can stuff as much stuff in there as you want to. And you flip it over so that the pretty side's up. And you keep the rest of your Play-Doh for later if you need to keep it. But here you are, you have your own homemade Dig and Create set. So the Discovery one was nice, but this one you can kind of make at home with what you have, you know, in your cupboards. So you have flour, you have salt. If you're a baker, you have cream of tartar, but you may not need to use cream of tartar, so you don't have to go out and buy any. I have 2 recipes on my channel. So one that's stovetop and one that's not. But here you are. So it looks kind of like a piece of earth with the brown and with the swirls in it. But it kind of gives you the same effect. And once you let that dry out, it'll get hard. And then you can use like some tools you have around the house, a spoon or something, and dig out the different stones. And in the middle, you have a nice surprise, which is your Hot Wheels car. So that's it. That was just a quick demonstration of how to make your own dig and create gemstone set. So you don't have to worry about going out and spending 12 to 15 bucks on essentially like a block of Play-Doh with some rocks inside of it. You can just do that at home with what you have in your cabinets, and it's pretty much the same effect. Only thing is that this doesn't come with a poster, so you should go to your local library and pick up a book on geology and different stones if you want to include a little bit of information on different rocks. Alright, well, thank you for joining me. Bye.